What's up guys, Mr. Virus Vlogs, and I'm back here today. It's currently the Sunday after the event of Wax Society, the event that was hosted in Wellington. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a small, not small, but a light feature on this Toyota Corolla. It's a 160i or a carburetor, 1300 I think, that was converted to a 4AGE twin cam 20 valve motor, the 1.6 20 valve Toyota motor. Yeah, so it's the RXI. They say RXI, RSI. Yeah, as you can see on the bootlet. Yeah, the bootlet has got some gel stickers that shows RSI, but we'll just say for the video's sake it is an RSI. Yeah, so guys, thank you for getting me to 1000 subscribers. As I told you guys in the previous video, please let's get to 1500 by July, and we can do it. Smash the subscribe button and smash the like button. And sorry that I'm sounding like this. I played rugby after the show and my body is very sore. Yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so this is a Toyota 1300 body. The owner put these replica blades, the step blades. It was previously black, but he resprayed it this cool silver. So the 20 valve features obviously the gel stickers. There you can see it, the 20 valve, and the rear gel sticker Corolla RSI. Coming over to the front of the car, we can see the 4AG 20 valve. This is the silver top, and he resprayed it like this. And here's the trumpets. I don't know the size of the trumpets, but as you can see, spot them in here, spot them for days. En ek kan vir julle beloof dat die ding is 'n groot raasbek. So this is a full view of the car on the side, obviously with the VVTi sticker in front. And this is actually a 1300 body with a full 1600 160i interior, also with the 160i cluster. So this is a 1300, this is a 160i, and this is a RSI. So this specific car is representing the whole line of the shape. So yeah, we're going to do a quick sound check and maybe a few pulls. So yeah guys, enjoy the video further.
So you want me to give you honesty, said you wanted every piece of me. You don't wanna hear me now tonight. I just turn around and say goodnight. You don't feel the way, you're gonna wait. You don't listen. You promised it wouldn't change. You stay the same, but it's different. We were much happier.
Wat soek is, genoeg moet mos genoeg is. Van my moeg is, moeg van moeg is. Ek bly die een wat gesoek is. Hulle wil my oog gekoop het, die talent. Ag hulle soek het, die talent. Ja hulle boek het, kry is die naam wat geroep is. Ek soek en soek wat soek is. Genoeg moet mos genoeg is, van my moeg is, moeg van moeg is. Ek bly die een wat gesoek is, hulle wil my oog gekoop het die talent.
What?